Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Crypto Invest. Today is October the 9th, 2017 and I want to give you a quick market update and some of my thoughts. Before I start, I want to remind everyone that this is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. So take a look at the market. So Bitcoin is doing pretty well. It is actually above 4,700 at the moment. It is at 4,764 and it may be even more than that by the time you watch this video. Typically in the past, if Bitcoin is doing well, the altcoins are also doing well. However, as you can see, this is not the case at the moment. Everything is pretty much in the red with the exception of a very few. Looking at Ethereum down, Ripple down, Bitcoin Cash down, Litecoin down, Dash also down. Some of them are down by double digits, such as Kyber Network, Salt Landing, Wharton. So what is going on? What is happening? So let's not panic. Let's take a look at this a little more closer. So let's take a look at why Bitcoin is maybe up at the moment. So we know that there are two potential chain splits for Bitcoin at the moment. First off is Bitcoin Gold. This is going to happen on October the 25th. And then in November, you will have a split for SegWit 2X. So those two are the two potential upcoming chain splits for Bitcoin. And in both cases, if you are holding Bitcoin through the chain split to the day of the hard fork, you are going to receive an equivalent amount of the split coin. So in this case, in the next couple of weeks, when Bitcoin Gold chain split happen, for every one Bitcoin you are holding, you will receive one Bitcoin Gold in return. So in my opinion, judging by what happened with Bitcoin Cash, a lot of people are putting money back into Bitcoin at the moment in hope that they are receiving free coin coming up with the Bitcoin Gold hard fork in the next couple of weeks on October the 25th. So in my opinion, that the money that is going into Bitcoin at the moment is coming out from the altcoins. So the prices are down and they are selling the altcoin in order to move their money into Bitcoin. One can never know for sure, but I can offer you some data point. So to take a look at the total market cap for cryptocurrencies. Currently we are at 151 billion, which is fantastic, and Bitcoin dominance is at 52.2%, which is pretty high. As you can see, the last 7 days, the market cap is from 148 billion all the way until today at 151 billion. So if you do the calculation, this come out to be about 2.02%. So the market cap have risen by 2.02% in the last 7 days. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin market cap. So here we are looking at the Bitcoin market cap the last 7 days. So Bitcoin market cap went from 72.8 billion all the way until today at around 79.3 billion total. So same thing, if you did the math the last 7 days, the Bitcoin market cap gone up about 8.9% total. However, as we just talked about, the total market cap for the entire cryptocurrencies market only gone up 2.02%, but the market cap for Bitcoin got up 8.92%. So one would wonder where is the extra money coming from, the extra 7.7%. Roughly. So if it's not coming from new money entering the market, then it must come from within. So that's why I'm thinking that that extra market cap is coming from the altcoin. People are actually selling the altcoin to go into Bitcoin in hope of getting more Bitcoin, in hope of getting the free Bitcoin Gold coming up. So at the moment, if you are not holding any Bitcoin and you're only holding altcoin, you are bleeding at the moment. But you know, to me, there's nothing to be panicked about. So the moment that the Bitcoin Gold is happening, you know, when people actually get Bitcoin Gold, I'm thinking that people, or some people, will dump the Bitcoin Gold immediately, and some people may move their money out of Bitcoin to go back to some of the altcoin after that. But remember, we do have another potential chain split coming up in November as well, and that is going to be a major one. So in my opinion, if you haven't sold any of your altcoins, whether you have Dash, Litecoin, or Ethereum, or Mystical, you know, at the moment the price is pretty low, so I don't recommend you to sell any at the moment. But of course, you do what's best for you. This is not investment advice. For me, I'm actually not looking to sell. I'm looking to see how much lower this gonna go. Maybe I wait a little longer. So it's gonna be on October 25th. So which is a bit more than 2 weeks, and in crypto land 2 weeks is a long time. Anything can happen. So I will wait a little more and see. Maybe I'll buy into some of the altcoin a little bit. I mean, these prices are looking amazing. I mean, NEO at 29.35. Ethereum is below 300 again. Ripple does have, I mean, I get it. Some people hate Ripple, some people love Ripple. I mean, I don't hate it or love it. I'm just an investor. And Ripple does have, some potential good news coming up with the conference coming up pretty quickly here. Litecoin is, holding at 50.25. Let's see if Litecoin break below 50 again. If it does, you will see more further downsides. Even for Michigo, Michigo currently at 7.65. Just a few weeks ago, Michigo was at $10, $11, and even before that at $12. So, you look at these and you have to think to yourself, how low can these altcoins go? And if you did not have a chance to pick up your favorite altcoin, whether or not it's a Michigo or Monero or any of the coin that you are eyeballing for a while, this may be a good time to take a look again and see if this is a good place for you to pick some up. It is a fire sale for altcoins. So nothing to worry about. The total market cap is still rising. If you believe in any of these projects in the long run, this is a good time to enter. I'm thinking these coins gonna go up in the future, especially if you pick anyone up in the top 20, the top 30. Most of them are solid, with the exception of some of them. I don't know why some of them end up on the top 30 or top 20 even. But for the most part, a lot of them are very solid. So if you believe in any of these projects, they are going to do well. Don't think about tomorrow. Don't think about next week. Think about next year. Where we will be a year from now. Where would this market cap be? And if you're thinking the market cap is going up in value, that means, new money coming to the market. And you have to think, if new money is entering the market, what would it be? Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is pretty stable. It is one of the safe haven of the cryptocurrency land. But, because of the market cap is so high, market cap is 79 billions. That means that Bitcoin is not as volatile as some of the other altcoins with a lower market cap. Just think about it. In order for Bitcoin to go up 10%, you basically have to add about $8 billion into the total market cap at the current level. Now, if you add $8 billion of market cap into something like Ripple, you basically double the price. So, I mean, I'm sure you get the idea. And if you add about 8 billion market cap into Ethereum, you're gonna add another 50%. That means Ethereum gonna be roughly at 450 if you add that same amount of market cap. So with that, I hope that you find this information helpful. If you do, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you later for another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.